Hi, I'm Bob Verdosi with Philauer TRS, and I'm here to talk to you today about JAWS and our JAWS model XFS, Extra Force Spring. I designed this device several years ago, mainly because of requests that we got from people that were using electric hands. And they wanted to ride ATVs and snowmobiles and personal watercraft, and they just didn't want to use their electric hands for those kind of activities, or they thought that they would abuse the hand and the electric hand would not meet its functions in the future. So first of all, it's a voluntary opening device. So I can actually put a cable onto this and I can pull JAWS open and closed with a voluntary opening device. The advantage to that is that any person that has a split hook is a candidate for JAWS. JAWS provides just a completely different range of performance and function than you're going to get out of a split hook. So if you're fitting someone with a split hook, then complement them, give them better performance, fit them with JAWS. So JAWS can be operated with a cable, but it is also designed so that it can be pushed on and off. It's got an oversized lip here. It also has a trigger. The same component that hooks into the cable can be used to open JAWS this way manually, but it can just be pushed on and off objects like handlebars. Another unique feature of JAWS is that it has adjustable prehension. So I can press down the top of this lever and I can shift this to one of 4 different load positions. From the lowest position to the highest position, I double the amount of force that this device provides for gripping. It never locks. So under some load, this device is going to come off. That's why it was designed that way, so it would never lock for safety purposes. The other advantage is that JAWS has an adjustable friction pivot mechanism to it. I can adjust the tension on the pivoting mechanism right here, and it allows that to pivot more or less easily. So those are some of the key features about JAWS. It has a wide, soft, compliant gripping surfaces. It fits onto handlebar-sized objects, designed to push on and off, adjustable tension, and flexion and extension. It can be used lifting so that the thumb is down, or you can in fact flip it over. So depending on the activity you're doing, if you're worried about lifting something heavy, you simply flip JAWS upside down and you take your load here, and you can lift as much as you possibly can. So I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to put on JAWS XFS, Extra Force Spring. We had some requests from individuals who just wanted a lot more prehension. So we designed an Extra Force Spring. This is not a standard model by any means, and we don't recommend its use except for people who really need a lot of extra gripping force. This has the same shift mechanism, it just uses a much higher performance spring. The JAWS XFS is twice as strong as our normal JAWS model. In this position, it becomes very, very difficult to pull this device open. And that also impacts the safety of the device. It never locks, but in a high load position, this device has a very high threshold of being able to be pulled off of any object. You can still push it on and off, but its threshold of how easy it goes on and off is significantly higher. A couple other important features about JAWS that you should know. JAWS is waterproof. We designed it so you could use it with personal watercraft, jet skis and that type of thing. These gripping surfaces are also replaceable, so if you do wear them out, they can be removed and replaced. All of the JAWS models have an L code of 6721, but because of the pivoting wrist function that we have, it has an add-on code of 6620 as well. So that's an important thing to remember.